So I have my hose running about 4 feet away from my house. So these are going to be perfect for me to keep my hose out of the way when I do lawn work. Perfect for pinning my hose back. Nice, I told a video outside in the garden. Zevlux garden staples, 100 pieces. There's 100 pieces of 12 gauge 4-inch galvanized pro landscaping staples. Just to show you, they come in a little box, packed up, and just like this. This is how you get them. Let me give you a look at these. According to the literature, these are pro-grade heavy-duty sod pins. These are also anti-rust resistant, and they have pretty sharp ends on there, so there shouldn't be any problem pounding these into the ground. And I'm going to test that on this hose out here. I'll probably put it at the front of the video. Pretty thick, too. They're pretty thick. They bend a little, so if you need to go around stuff, shouldn't be a problem. There are many uses for garden staples. You can use them for fence stakes, wood barrier fabric, ground cover, irrigation tubing, putting down a soaker hose, stapling artificial turf to the ground if you wanted to. These can be used to secure bird netting, which is what I'm probably going to do because I have a blueberry bush that I put bird netting around in the summertime, or in the spring, so that the birds don't get to the blueberries when they grow. It's used for chicken wire, pet fences, and so much more. So if you're looking for a gift for that gardener in your life, or if you're just looking for some garden staples that you can use around the house, Zevlux 4-inch galvanized steel garden staples. Check them out.